guys, so welcome to El Smart Investor channel. So listen, today I have a great stock for you guys. It's called Newborn Acquisition Corp with symbol NBAC. It was up all the way to $22 from $11. It did 86% today. Post market it's going a bit down, but this one's got tremendous potential. I'm going to tell you very shortly why it's going up, what's the news about the merger coming up in the EV sector, and I'm gonna give you my match plan for this one. I mean, it's great news, guys, so stay tuned. Before we go into details, if you liked, the video, please subscribe and like the button. I mean, this takes a lot of time to do the research and be able to actually provide you with the information so you can actually be profitable as well. So keep that in mind, and I would greatly appreciate. So let's not waste more time and go into more details. All right, guys. So Nuvve is the corporation that is being merged and acquired by Newborn Acquisition Company. This we don't know yet the date, but believe me that Nuvve will be something very, very good for you. I'm personally gonna buy into this one. So bottom line, when you buy currently shares of Newborn Acquisition, once Nuvve goes public, they will give you stocks of this one to a certain ratio. So this is great. I'm personally invested in this one, so I'm looking very forward for Nuvve to get in. So what is Nuvve exactly? So they're saying that they're the leader in the V2G technology. By the way, they're competitors of Blink and ChargePoint. They're a charging station company, but they also do light vehicles, which is really interesting, a hybrid kind of model as well. What's different about them? So Charging Point and Blink, or V1G that they would call, how do they differentiate themselves? All right, so what they're saying here is essentially there are two types of charging companies. So on one hand, these companies are charging infrastructures for EV, so the vehicles themselves, and they tap into electricity, utility, and to power electric cars. Investors could consider these companies participants in the V1G market, as I was saying. On the other hand, though, Nuvve company, which is the new company I'm talking about, which is a V2G player, this means that not only does it chargers power electric to vehicles, but they also allow power from the electric vehicles to flow back into the grid. So can you imagine that? That's bi-directional. I mean, this is great, guys. It opens a lot of room for opportunities. I think these guys could actually create a lot of competition, but also a new niche segment in the EV industry that could be very interesting for a lot of corporations, not only cars, but think about industries in homes too, right? I mean, I read something about this company that they're actually even being sustainable by providing electricity to the cars as they're charging, but also to their house electricity. So can you imagine? They're looking to provide numbers on this, on how that would reduce your cost in the household. So let's listen, guys. I mean, this is really cool to hear, not only from a perspective of stocks, but also from a perspective of vision of the company. So quite small yet. I'm really personally looking forward for this company to go into the public. So let me just show you quick numbers on what they're expecting in terms of sales. All right, so in terms of sales, guys, here are their projections. So in 2020, they're expecting to do between 5 and 6 million, and by 2021, $32 million, and then triple that size to 2022. This is good numbers. Not only that, they're expecting to lower their loss of operations. So amazing news, guys. So I just wanted to show you this one very quickly. It's something, not a stock that everybody's talking about, and I like to look at stocks, yes, trendy, but also stocks that nobody's talking about, obviously, to have that, triple, 5x X type of company. So I brought it to your attention. Let me know what you think about this company. Do some research. If you see something different that I do, I appreciate to actually know. If you have any comments, I'm here for that. I'd like to create a big community with you guys and share our thoughts on this. So if you like the content, you like the video, please smack that button of like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any other videos. So take care, guys. Have a great evening. Be profitable, and peace out.